All right, dear brothers and sisters, hopefully all of you well, and Alhamdulillah, I'm doing great. So today in this video, I would love to share with you how can you learn English by ourselves, by yourself, right? So this is your journey, this is your responsibility. So I want to share with you some words that I got from observation. Now I'm going to share with you these words. So let's get started. So I hope that might be helpful for you. So actually, I am returning my home as well as I'm trying to make a video. So this is your journey. Please remember some words, brother. This is your journey. This is your responsibility. It doesn't matter what people think about you. It doesn't matter what will be happen. If you do any mistakes, what will be happen? You are thinking like that. That's why you're not being able to do it. So you have to be yourself. This is your journey. This is your responsibility. So try to believe in yourself. This is your journey, this is your life. So this is my some words that I got from observation. I think it might be helpful for you. So what should you do? What can you do for learning English? At first, you have to think a bigger way. This is your first step. And you can say, brother, এটা তো ইংরেজির সাথে যাচ্ছে না, এটা তো ইংরেজির সাথে আসছে না। ইয়া আসবে না, তো আপনাকে যেটা করতে হবে, so what should you do and what can you do? You can take a hard action for your life. So this is your battle. So you have to be yourself and you have to work hard for your dream every single day. So this is your journey, bro. So don't worry about it and just believe in yourself, and you have to think a bigger way. Like I will be able to learn English within 6 months, within 2 years, within 1 year. You have to think like this. But you're thinking I will be able to learn English within 3 months, within 2 months. You are thinking like this, right, bro? That's why you are not getting enough result that you expected. So don't worry about it. Just believe in yourself. You can do everything. And always remember, English is a language, right? So you have to practice every single day. Practice makes man perfect. If you practice every single day, your English automatically will be improved, inshallah. So dear brother, sister, my hand is actually shaking. Also, I am feeling pain. And lots of brothers ask me, how many hours do you practice, brother? How many hours do you practice? Brother, I never ever count how many hours I practice every day. So I just focus on myself. How can I improve my English? This is my focus point. So you have to keep your focus on your journey. When I started my English journey, I kept my focus on my journey. It doesn't matter what's going on, my surroundings. So I have to focus on my journey. So this is your responsibility and this is your decision. What do you want? It's all up to you. Thank you very much. All the best.